Hello everyone, welcome to Testing Universe. In this video, we will write a program to reverse a number in Java. Let's say I have given input as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In my output, I should get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is how we have to show the output as the reverse number. What is the logic we are going to use? As we know, if we apply modulus on any number, we are going to get the remainder, modulus operator. We are going to get the remainder, and if we apply division operator on any number, we are going to get the quotient, right? So this, what is the logic? We'll understand the logic. If I apply modulus 10 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's say we will apply that in an iterative way. In the first iteration, it is going to give me 5 as the remainder. In the second iteration, it is going to give me 4 as the remainder. In the third iteration, it is going to give me 3 as the remainder, and so on. If we apply division operator on the number, means number is equal to number divided by 10, we are going to get the quotient. In the first iteration, I will be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is removed from that number, means the number, the value of the variable number after first iteration is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you are going to get the remainder in the second iteration, that is 4, because I have chipped off the last digit, right? Or I have taken out the last digit. So this is how we have to use these two operators to write the logic, and then we can write this particular program in two ways. One is non-recursive way and then recursive way. Let us see both the ways in our Eclipse. So I'm going to create or write a method public void without recursion. Let's take int number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will take one more variable reverse, and I will be initializing that to 0. I will use while loop here. While number should not be 0, okay? We'll loop through this particular number until it becomes 0. While number is not equals to 0, we'll loop through our logic. What is the logic? First I need to get the remainder, that is 5, because if you want to reverse the number, you need to get the last digit and then put it at the first digit, right? And then get the second last digit and then put it at the second digit, like that it goes. So first I have to get the last digit. To get the last digit, I have to apply modulus operator on this number. So what is the logic? Int remainder is equal to number modulus 10. If you divide this number by 10, I will be getting the remainder as 5. Next, whatever value 5 I have got, I will put it inside this reverse variable. Okay, reverse is equal to reverse into 10. You multiply that with 10 plus remainder. Okay, why we are multiplying that with 10, we will understand in some time. So initially in the first iteration, the value of reverse is 0, variable reverse is 0, reverse 0 into 10 will be 0, 0 plus remainder, that is 5. We will understand why I have written into 10. In the second iteration you will get to know. And the next logic is number is equal to number divided by 10. Okay, I have got the last digit, I have put it in my reverse variable, means in the first digit I have put it, get the last digit and replace in the first digit. I have done that. Number is equal to number divided by 10. Next what I have to do, I have to, this 4 should become last digit. If this 4 has to become last digit, you have to divide that number by 10 using division operator to get the quotient. If I divide 1 2 3 4 5 by 10, I will be getting the quotient as 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we'll understand this logic in detail so that the second iteration will be very clear. So number is not equal to 0, number is 1 2 3 4 5, which is not equal to 0, so I will be entering this loop. Remainder is equal to number mod 10, means remainder is equal to, I will just comment this out, remainder is equal to number is 1 2 3 4 5 and then mod 10. What will be my output if I apply or if I divide this number by 10? What is the remainder? I am going to get the remainder as 5. This is the first iteration. I have got 5. So my next logic should be 5 should be in the first digit. 5 should be replaced in the first digit. So that to replace that, I will be having a reverse variable. That's the temporary variable. Reverse is equal to, what is the reverse value? Initially it is 0. 0 into 10 is 0. 0 into 10, okay, plus remainder. What is the value of remainder? That is 5. So what is the value of reverse variable? That is 5 in the first iteration. This is the first iteration, right? So I have got the last digit and I have replaced that last digit with the first digit. Now number is equal to number divided by 10. So number is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 10. So what is the output? What is the quotient I am going to get if I divide 10 by 1 2 3 4 5 by 10? I am going to get 1 2 3 4. So this is the first iteration. So what is the value of number now? The value of number is 1 2 3 4. So once again the loop will iterate. Once again it will iterate here. 1 2 3 4 is not equal to 0 and then this line will execute. So what is the second iteration output? I will just copy paste this just to save some time. The number is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 mod 10, because I have already cut the last digit here by taking the quotient. That number will be the value in the second iteration, that is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 mod 10 is equal to the remainder is 4. In the second iteration the remainder is 4. Okay, so what is the value in this step? In this step I am going to get, already my reverse value was 5 in the first iteration. 5 into 10, that is 50, plus 4. The output is 54. You can see here, second iteration, my last two digits are reversed. 5 has come in the first place and 4 has come in the second place. Now here number is equal to number divided by 10. What was the number? Number was 1 2 3 4 divided by 10, that is 1 2 3. This is the output, right? After second iteration the value of number is 1 2 3, because you are applying the division operator on 1 2 3 4 and you are dividing that by 10. So 1 2 3 4 divided by 10, the quotient is 1 2 3. If you see the third iteration, okay, I will just show the third iteration so that the logic will be very clear. Means this should be in the third place, means this third digit should be remaining in its own place, right? So remainder is, the value of number was 1 2 3 and the remainder is 3, and here reverse was 54. 54 into 10, 540 plus 3, that is 543. You can see here 543 has come, and then if you apply division operator on 1 to 3, you are going to get the quotient as 1 2. Now remaining two iterations, if you pass 1 to mod 10, the value will be 2, the value will be 2, and then 543 into 10, 5430 plus 2, 5432. 5432 has come in the fourth iteration, 5432. And then if you divide here once again by 10, you are going to get the quotient as 1, and then you pass that number 1, and here you are going to get 1 mod 10 is 1, and 5432 into 10, 54320, and then if you add that with the remainder 1, 54321 in the last iteration, and then here number divided by 10, 1 divided by 10, that is 0. While number is equal to 0, you will come out of the loop, and then I will just output the reversed number. Reversed number is REV. Okay, to run this program, I am going to create an object here is equal to new reversed number REV dot REV number dot without recursion. Okay, so I'm going to run this program. You can see here the reverse number is 54321. Let me just give one colon and space. Reverse number is 54321. So this is how we can reverse a number without using recursion. Okay, so the next logic is with recursion or recursive way. It is the logic is same. It's just that we will not use the while loop. We will call the same method again and again, and we'll pass the value number here. Okay, so I am going to create one more method, public void with recursion. Okay, and then I will be accepting number as the parameter. In this particular method, I will be accepting the number as the parameter. I will not use while loop. The logic is almost same. You just observe. I don't have to explain how this logic works. I will just show you how exactly we can use the recursive way. In interviews, if you show in the recursive way, it will be very helpful, because most of the interviewers will expect you to write these kind of programs in a recursive way. If number is not equal to 0, if number is not equal to 0, I am going to take one global variable int reverse number is equal to 0. We can use the same thing. We can put this in a global variable, but that's fine. I'm going to use this, right? If number is not equal to 0, this remainder logic is same. I'm going to get the remainder, and then this is also same. It is just that I will be taking this variable reverse number is equal to reverse number into 10, and here I am going to call this particular method. I am going to call with recursion and number divided by 10. Means I will divide the number, and then I will pass this number into this particular method again and again until number will become 0. Else you just print reverse number is REV number. Okay, So here, instead of calling without recursion, I will call with recursion, and then you can see here it will ask one input parameter. I will pass 1 2 3 4 5. If I run this program again, reversed number is 5 4 3 2 1. This is how you can use this recursion, right? What is recursion? You will be calling the same method again and again by passing the incremented or decremented value as the input parameter. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much.